Hi, Mr. Khan. We received a query this morning regarding a sponsor license. A client is asking what are the basic requirements to apply for a sponsor license and if there's any financial threshold. He also wants to know what are the types of financial sponsor licenses available and also if a new company can get a sponsor license or not.
Okay, the first of all is that a new company, a new employer, can they get a license or not? This is very important question. The answer is yes. So regardless, doesn't matter how old the company is, how old the sponsor is. That's not a problem at all. There may be 1 month or 2 months or 6 months or whatever, but there is other requirement, because if any sponsor license applicant, for example, a company, if they're under 18 months, and then there are some further extra documents will be required. I'm going to go for that. But this is possible, even the employer is new. Second is about what sort of documents required for that. The main overview, the main purpose of this one, that the sponsor has to be genuine and trading in the UK. And there is a sponsor license revoked last 12 months. And plus, there is no criminal conviction against that company, or if any CCJ, something like that, there will be adverse effect of that. So this is, we have to be careful on that. So this is basically 4 set of document has to be fulfilled to establish that the sponsor is genuine and is also trading within the UK. It could be how you can establish that the sponsor is genuine and trading in the UK. It could be lease document to establish that yes, this is the address of the sponsor, and it's true that the bank statement that shows the trading activity of the sponsor, and thirdly that the nature of the business, and this, for example, this kind of with a law firm or a solicitor's firm or a kind of a shop, it all depend on that. So accordingly, document will be asked for. It very, it's very case to case. So when we assess the application first, and then we'll give you list of document. And there's employer liability insurance, then VAT registration, is a tax return. These kind of documents required. But there are the 4 document, is a set of document. Each set 1 document will be required for that. And other question you asked for, what the procedure and how much going to cost, if there's any fast track service available. Yes, there is a fast track service available. Standard fee for a sponsor license is £536, something like that. But if someone wants a fast track, they want to make a decision quickly within 1 week or 2 weeks time, this is also possible. And this is, there is around 14 or £1,500 will be top of that. This is the fee for the home office. And our fees is depend on the size of the sponsor. It could small sponsor, medium or large sponsor, because Addison House Solicitors have dealt all type of sponsor, including the over 250 employees there, and then we dealt their matter successfully. Have done loads of application in the last 2 or 3 years, and even before that. So if you made a query to us, and certainly we can assist you to get a license as a sponsor. Another question before you leave. There's a 2 type of sponsors. One is a skilled worker for long-term basis, and second type of sponsor is that for skilled worker for short-term basis. And when we say long-term basis, then you are recruiting people within the country, within UK and out of the UK, and this is lead to settlement. But if the sponsor license is required for short-term, like a charity visa, like a seasonal worker, like a global business mobility scheme, like a sports worker, so this different type. So then a different type of sponsor will be required for that. And also, one sponsor could be both sides, long-term and short-term. Seasonal workers, especially nowadays, we are receiving so many queries for charities and seasonal workers, and for that purpose, there is a different set of requirement. And once you contact with us, certainly we will assist you on that. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Khan.